the baby happy.
Happy baby.
Baby's happy.
Eat.
Baby's eating.
Babies like to eat.
I can see the book and the pages.
The baby's with the daddy? So daddy loves the baby?
Yeah. Pig.
Turning the page.
Baby.
You're a good reader, Eliana.
Show Ami the pictures.
You telling a story?
What is the next page about?
Babies.
It's still about a baby.
Who's that?
Baby.
And that?
Baby.
Okay, turn the page. Tell us what's on the next page.
Baby eats.
Baby eats. That's right.
What's the name?
Cold.
That's a good book for Ami because he can relate.
Mommy. Mommy.
Time to bring the computer more down.
Mommy, stop.
Oh. Oh.
Sister, read me the book.
Don't put it on his head, please. Just read it.
Oh, so sweet. I should take a picture with Skype. I need to do that. Gotta figure out how to do that. Where is that picture? Where's that picture thing?
You licked your nose?
He licked you? With his tongue?
This is done. Grandma,
What, honey? Did Ami lick you with his tongue?
Yeah.
You know why? Because he knows you're sweet.
Cry. They cry.
Babies cry? Yeah.
Mommy.
I see it's a baby crying in your book.
Eat.
Yeah, the baby's eating.
Ha.
Baby's wearing a hat.
Mommy. Babies.
Lots and lots of babies.
Dog.
It's dark. They're going to sleep.
Stars.
Stars. The end.
That was
Good
nice.
job, Leon. I like the book.
Now you want to read him Goodnight Moon?